In the pursuit of sustainable development today, shipping container house stands out with its low energy consumption and recyclability through reasonable layout design, efficient insulation materials, and the application of renewable energy such as solar energy. These houses not only achieve beauty and practicality, but also reduce the burden on the earth and lead a new trend of green living. Whether you are a single aristocrat pursuing freedom, or a family of three yearning for a warm family atmosphere, Shipping Container House can provide personalized customization services. In this fast-paced era, let's enter the world of Shipping Container House together.